Hi friends. So far I have given the hands-on explanation. It took almost half an hour time. There is no other choice because if you want to evolve as a programmer, the first and foremost important prerequisite is you must have patience and perseverance. Lazy people never evolve as a programmer. That point always you remember. And this is the only one time only. Every time you don't require this much explanation. So I explained everything because of the congestion of board and my writing. Few things you may not understand properly. That's why I am showing you the actual code. Actual code, everything, every bit already explained to you. Just have a look of this code, and if you want to have this program, and we are giving a link in the description section, and you can download the code for every program. You can download the code, and by that, but one thing I am telling you, don't copy. By copying, you never learn anything. That's the first one. Second one is your brain becomes lazy. You have to give exercise to your brain, like giving exercise to body. If you give exercise to your brain, then only it will become charged. It is charged, and it will become active. That point you have to remember. You commit mistake, nothing wrong, heavens won't fall down. If you commit a mistake in programming, these errors are not your enemies, those are your friends. Because by every error you committed, you will have an opportunity to learn. By that, you never commit the same error again, and you can understand the logical reason behind it, why you committed error. Okay, these points you keep in mind, and try the code. The first blueprint class, in these 5 elements are there. First comment you have written, and thereafter class header we are writing, and thereafter 3 instance variables we have written. Why we are called instance variables? Why these are belong to instance? Instance means object. Suppose s1 relating to s1 dot name, s1 dot age, s1 dot height. So every time they get meaning if they represent them via an object. That's why those are called instance variables. Thereafter, set data method. Set data method is meant for initializing variables. It fills the values in variable. Thereafter, demo biodata. Demo biodata for displaying output on the monitor screen. As I told you already, until unless you have command over SOP statements, you cannot write this. Just a matter of half an hour of practice, then you will be perfect over that. In this way, you get ready, you biodata class. Thereafter, you have to go for implementation class. As I told you, as far as this series is concerned, for implementation class, you give main as the name of the method, main. Okay. Later, as you like to do that, and thereafter, main method you write. As I told you, main method invariably all 6 elements you must write. All 6 elements you must write. Thereafter, we are creating objects. This process is called instantiation. Instantiation means deriving objects from the corresponding class. Corresponding class means blueprint class. Now we see all that I explained to you. Biodata, S1 object, new biodata. Thereafter, via S1, we are calling set data method, and there we are passing arguments. What are the arguments? Arun 15, 5.4 F. Don't forget. Thereafter, now instance variables are filled with values. Thereafter, you can call s1 dot demo biodata. As a result of that, first output is printed. You want to create one more object, n number of objects you can create. So biodata s2, s2 we are creating s2 object. Via s2, you are calling set data method. Now you are passing a different set of values, balu 16, 5.5 f. Now again you are calling demo biodata s2 demo biodata you are calling. As a result of that, second output is printed in the format. This is the process. In this process, every bit you understand. If you have any doubts and all that, in the next program, those are cleared. So But one thing, once again, I am telling you, don't copy. Whatever you understand, with that you write code and execute program. If you get errors and all that, why errors? Why? What is the reason behind it? You understand and rectify it.